Hi there, students. Suitable. Okay, suitable, it means appropriate for a situation, appropriate for an occasion, appropriate for use. Something that you should choose. I haven't got any suitable shoes for the wedding. This job is just not suitable for me. It's not appropriate. The answers are in the back of this book, and it makes it suitable for self-study. Um, cotton, cotton is very suitable to wear in the summer. This is a suitable location for a fire station. So suitable, it means acceptable, right for a particular situation or a particular person, adapted for a specific use. It also means fit or proper for a certain use. It's about acceptability. So it's something that's acceptable in a given context. It says that an item is designed to fit a need or a specific situation. It says that something is fitting in a particular setting. So a film might not be suitable for children. A candidate could be suitable for a job because they've got the necessary qualifications. Um, if shoes are suitable for hiking, they're the right type, they're the right style. So suitable, it's an adjective, a suitable candidate, a suitable habitat, appropriate, right for a particular occasion, a suitable place for a picnic, suitable to do something. I don't have anything suitable to wear for the party. Would this be a suitable moment for us to discuss this problem? So suitable, having sufficient or required properties for a certain task. So this comes from suit, Middle English suit, Anglo-Norman sweet, um, French sweet, from Vulgar Latin secuta, to follow, sequi, to follow. So it follows in the style. That's why it is suitable. Appropriate for a purpose or an occasion. She had no other dress suitable for the occasion. This was not suitable behavior for someone who wants to be taken seriously. Give a few people an idea of suitable questions to ask. He could think of no less suitable moment, no less appropriate moment to ask the question. His qualifications weren't suitable. This is suitable for beginners. It's suitable for all types of hair. This food is suitable for freezing. A suitable reply. A more suitable diet. So acceptable, right for something. A conference was planned, but it was difficult to find a suitable venue. So suitable, appropriate for a situation, for a purpose, for an age group, for an occasion. Those shoes are not suitable for a long walk. We need to find a suitable place to eat. He is suitable for that job. The quiet park was a suitable place to read a book and relax. We're still looking for a suitable candidate for the job, adapted to a use, suitable for the kitchen, proper, satisfying propriety, a suitable suit, a suitable candidate for a job, suitable accommodation, suitable clothing, suitable conditions, a suitable environment, fitting, proper, correct, adequate, befitting. We are looking for a suitable candidate. The hotel offers suitable accommodation for families. Her skills and personality make her suitable for the role. So, suitable. I would give this a 5 in formality, and this is a high frequency use word. So, suitable. Bye for now.